This dictation material has been obtained from newspaper Para 20. In recent past, more people have been killed in the name of religion than for any other thing in the world. Full stop. Religion has become a symbol of death, terror, and agony. Full stop. Subsequently, a recent Pew Research changing United States religious landscape shows the decline of religious affiliation in the United States. Full stop. The study finds that there are more adults who consider themselves unaffiliated with any other form of religion than those who subscribe to a certain faith. Full stop. This bludgeoning disaffection and disenchantment is partly the product of what we witness in the world around us, terror in the name of religion. Full stop. In its 2015 annual report, the United States Commission on International Religious Freedom catalogues the horrors of religious-led terror groups and their affiliates affecting millions of lives around the world. Full stop. This axis of death and destruction of sheer human lives continues to haunt innocent children, women, and men of all faiths around the world. Full stop. From Rohingya Muslims in Burma who have been ditched by the South Asian governments at the mercy of sea to the most recent killing spree in Karachi, Pakistan on the Shia sect of Islam, as well as the ravages of Boko Haram in Africa and the unspeakable horrors of IS in Syria and Iraq. These are few deadly snippets of what religion has been reduced by human beings' horror. Full stop. Fundamentalist, religious, and sectarian ideology are driving us back into the Stone Age, where, as Fontaine rightly puts it, unreasonable logic of the wolf trumps the reasonable logic of the lamb rules sovereign. Full stop. Ideology is deeply seated in our psyche. Full stop. It influences us unconsciously before we form an opinion or an idea. Full stop. It blurs our perception unknowingly. Subsequently, every opinion we form is influenced by the ideology fed into our subconsciousness. Full stop. The extremist religious ideology is one of the most pernicious weapons which can taint our worldview to treat other human being as other rather than the part of one human race. Full stop. It can easily fan the flames of never-ending debate of us versus them. Full stop. Our religious differences should not be satiated with blood and power. They should rather be discussed and debated with a room for having a different opinion. Full stop. The world's religions can never be same in their content and structure. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamanan, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore, and Principal, Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahdra.